Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is a demonstration of FBreader on an Asus C302 Chromebook. This is the computer here, and this is FBreader. FBreader works on the Chromebook. In fact, I've already loaded a text here, and one of the things I wanted to talk about specifically is when the text loads, I've got an option. Let me see if I can activate the screen here. Turn that off. Okay, now let's see if I can. I'm touching the monitor, trying to get it to react to input. There we go. All right, so I touched it somewhere in the middle. Now, over here in the settings, you have a read aloud option. And scroll down, check out the voice. In this case, it's going to be Russian, which it is. Let's listen to it.
Это пример автоматического чтения вслух на русском языке.
And there it is. And now let's go back. And you've got rate and pitch, etc. All of that is fine. And there's also something else we want to check out. And this is what I'm working on here, is read by word and pause after each word. Let me show you what that means. All right, so, and this is part of the issue. This user interface is quite annoying because it doesn't float. It just sits there right in the middle and you can't move it. And if the text goes behind it, then you lose your reading. So it's activate the touchscreen again and then go back to settings and then go back to read aloud. And you can see it just absorbs or dominates the screen as well. You can't read the stuff behind. Now, what I've done is I've set to read each word. What I'd like is this to float, to be much smaller. I can't make it any smaller than it is. And I can't control the color. I want this to be the right color and this to be floating so that I can navigate word by word and hear it word by word. If you're familiar with Russian, you know that it's a multi-syllabic word language with some crazy 6, 7, 8, 9 syllable words. This is a very simple text, and you can see that I can see that many of these words have more than 3, 4 syllables. Point being that when you play on FBreader, I'd like it to be able to play each word on its own, which it does right now, but I want this to be, I want this UI to be much smaller so that I can read the screen, the text.
Меня был день рождения. Я пригласила друзей и решила приготовить борщ.
And be able to control the text reader in a smaller user interface because I've got a full laptop screen here on a handheld device like a phone. This particular UI is enormous and can't read the text at all.
Я приехала из Японии раньше.
Now, if you haven't figured out why this is interesting, it's because you can hear each word раньше, and make sure that you're getting close to the pronunciation. This is the point.
Я никогда
не готовила борщ. You get the point, I hope. Anyway, idea is that FBreader's got this built in. It would be really nice if this user interface for controlling the voice reader was floating and much smaller. Thank you for your time and happy computing.